Hello, my name is Joe. I am going to show you how to set up your ClickFunnels Google Analytics. So inside your funnel that you want to add your analytics code or to track your analytics, you're simply going to go to the Settings tab. And you're going to put the code here in the head tracking. So I also have a pixel code there, which is fine for my Facebook, but below that is where I would put my Google. And you could just put a space and that's it. So over in your Analytics tab, what you want to do is go down to your admin, go to your property settings, and then here it's going to say tracking info, and you want your tracking code. And then you're just simply going to copy that, paste it right in there, all the way down to the bottom, save and update settings. That is it. That's how to set up your ClickFunnels Google Analytics. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're new to ClickFunnels, I have put a link below for you to get a 14-day free trial. Thank you so much.